Kumusta po sa inyong lahat? Meron naman po akong bagong i-update sa inyo. Actually, na-release pa to noong January 27, 2026. And this is about the RMC 008-2026. So, kung matatandaan po ninyo, nagkaroon po ng suspension. Yung mga field activities like tax mapping, mga audit, ng BIR. Nilabas ito under the Revenue Memorandum Circular number 107-2025. Okay, so but this time, na-resume na siya. So, ibinalik na nila ulit itong mga field audit na to, tax audit, tax mapping, at iba pang mga tax verification drive ng BIR. Okay, so this is RMC 008-2026, which can be downloaded at BIR website. It's about the resumption of tax audit and other field operations. So, ito po yung page 1 niya. Ayan, makita niyo po yung date. Nirelease siya noong January 27, 2026. At signed by the newly appointed Commissioner ng Internal Revenue, si Commissioner Charlie Martin R. Mendoza. Okay? So, ito yung page 1. And then yung kanyang subject. And also sa paragraph 1, lifting of the audit suspension. Okay, so ayan yung mga related memorandum niya, yung RMC 107-2025, clarified by RMC 109-2025. So ito, lifted niya, effective immediately. So ano naman yung scope ng kanyang resumption? Okay, so kung ano yung sinuspend nila, yun din yung kanilang nire-resume, which includes but not limited to the following activities, yung pag-issue ng ELA, and then yung mission order, which is yan yung tax mapping verification drive, tax verification notices, at saka yung mga na-pending na suspended na audit during the time na inilabas tong suspension na to. And also, it also covers the enforcement, verification, assessment, and collection activities requiring audit or field operation. And last, other audit or enforcement activities necessary to protect revenue or to enforce compliance. Okay, so huwag tayong matatakot kung may mga ganitong memorandum kasi talagang trabaho yan ng PIR. Anyway, let us just be ready all the time. Lagi natin iisipin na kailangan natin laging nagko-comply, updated, lalong-lalong sa mga books of account natin, na laging nakalagay dapat sa ating mga kung saan yung business establishment. Kasi doon naman kayo itatax mapping, hindi naman kayo sa bahay ninyo itatax mapping, kundi doon sa business establishment, unless na sa bahay nyo din yung inyong business. Okay, so let us comply, be ready, always updated po tayo para ma-avoid natin yung mga unnecessary penalties naman. Okay, so we can avoid naman yan, ganyan, basta stay updated lang. Okay, so akin po iwanan sa inyo isang napagandang message dito. True failure drives out fear. Kayo at sana po supportahan yung channel to by subscribing and pakishare na rin and like. Malaking bagay na po yun sa mga katulad namin content creator. Thank you po and until next vlog.